Hey guys, welcome out to the channel. Today we're talking about wanting to build a different kind of chicken tractor, and that's what we got going on today. I went out and bought a bunch of 3/4 inch PVC pipe. We've got a bunch of these 3/4 inch elbows with a side outlet, and we're going to be using some regular elbows and some tees as well that I have from other projects. So I don't know how many pipes I'm going to actually need. I just went ahead and bought 8, and I know I have a couple others here as well. Got this one right here. So I try to use the older ones first and then try to see what we can come up with. So my main plan is to pretty much do a perimeter of the PVC pipe and wrap it in chicken wire, and I have some chicken wire already on hand, and we're just gonna make it the same height as this. That way I can zip tie it to it and not have any issues dragging it around. And then what I want to do for the top is have a completely separate top that I can just take the whole entire thing off and move it to the side if I want to, or just for cleaning up, stuff like that. It'll make it a whole lot easier. So this is going to be pretty much your only tool. So the first thing that we're going to be doing, guys, is creating the 4 different legs. And we're just gonna do those at 2 feet. Actually, we need to do them a little bit shorter than 2 feet. We're gonna do them at 22 inches due to the chicken wire is going to be exactly 2 feet. And we need this chicken wire to overlap a little bit. And you have all the other elbows and stuff like that. Let's go 23 inches. We'll say that. We'll do 23 inches. Need you to open. There we are. We got our 4 little legs right there, and these will end up getting clipped together just like that. One on the top, one on the bottom on each of these, and these are all getting connected by that side outlet piece. And I'm not gluing any of this right now because I'm going to be twisting these all around and trying to get it set everything fits perfect before I do any joining, so just keep that in mind. But that is all of the fittings that we bought, is all those 90-degree elbow with the side outlet. So now we can actually go ahead and make the rest of the frame. So our frame I want to have at 5 feet-ish wide, and that will take 2 full sticks, and that is why I'm doing 5 feet, so I don't just have stuff left over. So we'll just split 1 or 2 of these pipes right in half. And there we go. So now these can actually be hooked in. We don't want to do them tight right in there now because we want to be able to pull them out. But there is a side. And then we got our second side right here that we can hook together. And after all of it's put together, we'll come back through and individually undo the joints and get everything glued together. So now we can go ahead and, I was thinking about doing them 8 feet, but if I do them 10 feet, then I don't have to cut anything. Let's see what it looks like 10 feet. So we've got the basic structure made, and grabbing it feels a little bit wobbly. It is very strong though, but it wiggles due to the gap in between these. So one thing I'm going to do is put a brace right here in the middle. So I need you to hold that at the end of the post, and then we're going to cut this right in half at 5 feet, and we need to get that cut real quick. You want to come and try to do this?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. There you go. Need to just keep on squeezing it and rotating it. Kind of try to spin it too. Like this. So we want to stay there and we want to spin it back and forth, okay?
Okay.
Go back and forth with it now. All the way. Keep going. All the way. There you go. Now watch your face. Now squeeze it. There you go. Alright, now grab a tee out of that bag.
What tea?
In the bag. One of those metal tees. Or the plastic, yeah, that thing. Alright, we're going to put this right here.
Can you call them plastic
here.
things?
And then we're going to do the exact same thing down there. And then we'll put a piece right here in the middle. Alright, so this is what I was talking about with the little cross braces going up and down. So now we don't have as much wobble over the entire length of this, which is very helpful. And this thing is super light. I can grab it and just drag it with no trouble. So we're gonna go ahead and get the chicken wire wrapped around it and then make the top. All right, so we got our 24-inch chicken wire, and what we're gonna be doing is just using zip ties and attaching it right to the PVC pipe. And we gotta curl it around the corner. And then we'll do a
That
couple.
looks nice.
We'll do a couple right here so that it can't come off of that. Do one. Well, I ended up being a little short. I got that whole side and this side that I need to get done as well. And that little bit goes to about the halfway point, but I don't want to just attach it on a barely wired area. So I got to go to the store and get some more of the 2-foot chicken wire. But what I'm going to be working on now is the top of the little chicken run. And the way that I'm going to be doing that is by pretty much doing the same layout. So I'll have one big one right there, one big one right here. I'll have one on the end, and then I'll have 2 separate ones right here in the middle to help with the flexing of this whole entire thing. So we've gotten all of the parts cut, and I've thrown all the little joints where they need to go. And now we just need to push everything together, and then we can put the 5-foot roll of chicken wire on the top. just like that, we're completely done with this. We're on to the next step. We went ahead and got the rest of the sides wrapped for the chicken wire, and this is where I had to meet the two pieces of chicken wire together, and I laced them together, and they're overlapped by about 6 inches or so. And when you buy the chicken wire, it's always got these little tabs kind of things on the ends. So I've just folded them over, and that's how this is all hooked together so that they won't split apart. I'll probably go ahead and put some zip ties in there as well, just so that they definitely cannot come apart. But I mean, it's good how it is. You guys can see that tab right there, and you just wrap it around. You could even do it a full circle around, and then it would definitely not be coming apart. Stuff like that. But yeah, so next thing we need to do is go ahead and walk around the whole entire thing and put the top attached to the top of the cage area, and then we'll also do the bottom side. Tighten that up. There you go. Don't, yeah, there, no, you gotta cut more. Put it all the way down to the base. Yep, there you go. So we got the top put on, and everything is attached. I got these pieces a while ago, and that's how we're holding the top on. Just by how it is right now, it looks like I might have to add another T in here and maybe some cross braces like the top, just so that everything stays nice and tight close together, because the sides are opening up still. But the top is being held on with these, and we've got this one corner over here that we can still lift up, and we can put the chickens right in. And that's the nice part of having the PVC pipe part of this, is because of the flexibility with it. And then when we're done, we can just put this down and wrap one of those pieces on there, and it won't go anywhere. It'll stay nice and shut. So now we have the top on, and the chickens will be protected from any kind of overhead predators, and we have our privacy fence that keeps out everything else. So this is pretty nice right now. This is a big upgrade from their little 3-foot by 6-foot run. And this thing is 5 feet by 10 feet now. And we're gonna go ahead and put the chickens in here and see how they like it. All right, guys, well, that's all I got. The chicken tractor that we started is completed. Right around $50 worth of materials probably. The most expensive part of this is the chicken wire, obviously. And I bought a couple extra, or a bit extra, to do some other stuff. We have the laying hens that need to get coverage and stuff like that, and different things. But these Cornish birds look very happy now. As you can see, they're running all over the place. They're getting a lot more exercise. When we got them, they were just little bitty things that we could put in our palm of our hand, and they've grown up very quick. Time has flown by. This has been like 3 weeks or so. Temperature wise, it's pretty good here. We have They're a little house that we've been putting in with them, and they go in there at nighttime, so they're already getting used to going into coverage during the nighttime. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys found this useful. Hope you guys build one yourselves. This is very, very simple, and if you guys end up stopping, you can always just take this right apart and put it somewhere or sell it. So always keep that in mind. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, and welcome to my channel. Check out all sorts of different things. Do homesteading, engine stuff. I mean, all sorts of different stuff. So from me and our birds, we'll see you guys later.